Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. I am here in Cherry Grove at 5800 North Ocean Boulevard. I'm at Xanadu II. This is a high-rise complex that's very popular with families, for rentals. It's just a great property, and I'm gonna go ahead, turn this around here so you can see the view from the 6th floor. I'm about to show unit 602. So back there you have the marsh area, the channel homes that are in Cherry Grove. And I'm really excited to show you this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. It is so spacious. It has a great open floor plan and amazing views of the ocean. This is an oceanfront unit, gorgeous views, and the asking price is $524,900. It's so spacious. The heated total square footage is 1,441 square feet. So no further ado, let's go ahead and start this tour. Okay, y'all, so here is the view. So it's a nice enclosed hallway here. Of course, there are elevators that take you up. All right, let's go ahead and look at this unit. I know you're gonna love it. Okay, so entering here, you have a closet. In the foyer, tiled floors, and then the open concept. As you walk in, you have the dining area, the living area, and then of course the kitchen. Upgraded kitchen, beautiful cabinetry. As a matter of fact, watch this. So it has the soft close drawers. This pantry there. Okay, in here, place some things that you need for cleaning and your trash, and in here is the utility room and laundry room. So beautiful granite countertops, stainless steel appliances right here, and a little breakfast bar right here with 2 stools set up. So everything's stainless steel except the refrigerator. Okay, so let's take a look at the first bedroom. So this has 2 twin-size beds in it. It's a good sized room. And even here you have a nice sized closet. And then with it being 3 bedrooms, 3 bath, each bedroom has its own full bath, so ideal. Oops. So here you have the shower tub combo, of course, and the continuity of the same cabinets in here is the kitchen, and the great granite countertops and updated light fixtures. So you probably noticed we have 2 doors here, so one access directly from the bedroom and one here in the hallway. Okay, so from the dining living area, you have your ocean views. So the large sliding glass doors bring you right out to your balcony. It's a private balcony. We'll save that for the end, but spacious open floor plan. This does come fully furnished. So the owner is a family. They've actually owned this property since 1999, and they have just purchased another place, so it's ready to move on. So the closet here. Again, a nice sized bedroom. And nice sized vanity. This has the shower there. And the toilet over here. Again, notice the cabinets and the countertop. I like continuity throughout condominiums and homes. It really just flows so nicely. So let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. You're gonna love this. So a large king-size bed. Very nice furniture here. Your own sliding glass doors right here with a magnificent view. Oh, that's just gorgeous. So the closet's here. Extra long and with 2 doors, although that is just one large closet. So you have a nice bureau there. So the large vanity with 2 sinks, dual sinks, and look at this. I mean, this is a master suite. So you have this large tub right here with jets. How lovely would that be to get into a day after the beach spent with family and just read a book and relax. So just trying to show off the spaciousness of all this. Okay, and then in here you have your toilet and you have a shower here and an area where you can sit as well. So this is just delightful and something you don't see a lot in oceanfront condominiums, this spaciousness, again with 1,441 square feet. Absolutely magnificent to have this. So the tide is in, and of course I'm going to take you out to this balcony. I'm going to do it from the living area. So just want to point out here from the living area too, again, all the gorgeous views that you have. Okay, not only do you have the oceanfront view, but the fabulous thing is you have the privacy of this end unit balcony. You can hear the soothing sounds of the ocean. So the tide is in right now. That pier that you see, that's Sea Cabin Pier. And then further on down to the north, that's an area called the Point, and it's actually a beautiful area, and it's the end of Cherry Grove, and really pretty with a lot of dunes. So here the amenities are expansive. You have a pool here. You have the elevator that brings you up, the HOA. Let me just get my notes on this. So the HOA includes quite a bit. You're going to get basically everything except for electricity inside the unit. It takes care of your cable, your internet, your trash pickup, water, sewer, the pool, of course, the landscaping, the maintenance, the building insurance, pest control. So again, you only need to pay for your electricity inside the unit. Yeah, and that HOA is $767 a month. Great, everybody. So thanks so much for joining me here on this tour. I wanted to go ahead and show this great 3-bedroom condominium, oceanfront condominium. If you're interested in this properties or any other properties, I'd love to hear from you. My contact information is down below. Of course, just give me a call at 843-877-5839. Y'all take care. And the sun has just set, so you're getting some of those pretty colors in the sky. So you have the access right down below. Absolutely wonderful. This is what it's all about at the beach here. And of course, the Cherry Grove area is a wonderful section of North Myrtle Beach. Okay, everybody, take care.